Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about t-test for two populations referring to the unequal variance. I will talk about a similar question that you have did in Excel in tutorial class that you have done last week. Let's look at the question first. Well, a tutor of a large unit collected the mid-semester exam marks from his 25 female students and 15 male students. These exam marks are assumed to follow two independent normal distribution, but the population variance are not equal. Test at the 5% significant level whether the mean exam marks of the female student is greater than male. So as we can see from the question, the null hypothesis here is that the female students' exam marks is equal to the male students, which means that mu1, let's say, is the exam marks for the female student, and mu2 is exam marks for the male student, and the mu1 is equal to mu2. And the alternative hypothesis is that the female is greater than male students. So, which means mu1 is greater than mu2. And then we are going to draw the output using Excel. It is just under the data analysis. And you need to choose a different analysis tools, which is the two sample for t-test assuming unequal variance. And the next step is really easy. You just select the input range for female and male statistics. And the hypothesis mean difference is 0. And you tick the labels. The alpha is the significant level, which is 5%. And the output range, just select anywhere you like. So here is the output, and in this table, we will refer to the P only for one tail. And the result is the p-value is 0.35, which is greater than the 5%. So which means that in this question, there is no sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis. And also we draw a conclusion that the exam marks of the female and the male student is just the same. And also, I need to mention that if in the question, it didn't tell you the underlying assumption, which means that you don't know whether it is normal distribution or the population variance are the equal or not, you need to do the chi-square test to test the normal distribution. And also you need to do the F-test to test whether the population variance are equal or not. This would, for this content, you can refer to other Excel videos. Okay, that's all. Thank you. See you in next video.